Consider this for a moment. How awesome would it be if you could earn money simply by listening to music on your phone or computer? It doesn't matter what device you're using right now, you'll still earn money by listening to music. By listening to music, you can get paid from anywhere in the world. You can even comment down below where you're from so I can make more videos for your country. I will show you today a step-by-step guide on how to make money and be paid simply by listening to music like this one, as well as all of these songs right here. Just imagine how much money you'll make from all of these songs. All these rates that range from this to that are posted right here, and as I scroll down, there are literally pages of individuals from all around the world making money using this fresh new way. It is amazing how much money they can make. So let's see how much money you can make with this new way. If you listen to 10 songs, you can get $210. 20 songs, double the previous one, you can earn $840, and 60 songs, you can earn $1,260. You can do this on your computer or mobile device, and it is completely free. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. The first thing you'll need to do is go to mixkit.co, which you can find by searching for mixkit.co on Google. The stock music on this website is free to download and make money from by just listening to it. As you can see, there are hundreds of pages of songs that you can download for free using your own mobile phone or computer or laptop to make money from. You may earn $210 straight to your PayPal account if you use this brand new approach. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the first bonus tip so you can make money in this brand new way. I want you to pay close attention to it. When you visit mixkit.co, go to their homepage, click genre, and you'll see a list of different categories of free copyrighted songs that you can download and start listening to right away. For this video, I wanted you to focus on hip-hop and acoustic music because they're the two most popular genres right now. Let's go on to the next stage, which I want you to keep watching because it's also very important for you to get the most money from this new approach. I want you to go to the website upload-forever.com, which you can find by searching for upload-forever.com on Google. So if you don't know much about this website, let me tell you a little bit more about what they offer. Basically, you can post a variety of files right on this website and they will pay you straight to your PayPal account every time someone downloads your file. How awesome is that? You must go to the first website, which is mixkit.com, and look for a song, download it for free, then go back to upload-forever and upload that song right on this website. Every time someone downloads your file on this website, you will be able to earn some money depending on how much you want it to be, and I will show you how to set that up in a minute. So stay tuned and keep watching. As you can see, you may keep all of your profits to yourself, and one of the nicest things about them is that they accept a variety of payment options like PayPal, Payeer, Skrill, Payoneer, Perfect Money, and if you're into cryptocurrencies, you can get paid in whatever cryptocurrency you choose. Please do let me know which payment option you prefer in the comment section below, and I'll attempt to make a video about it as well. You should certainly remain until the finish of the video and pay close attention to every second so you don't get confused. If you have an Android phone right now, go to Google Play Store and search for the app Up-Forever and then download the app on your phone for totally free. If you truly want to make this work, you must watch and follow every single step of this guide. Right now, I'm going to show you the complete sign-up process, and I want you to pay careful attention because if you just skip over the steps, it may be a bit tough. Okay, so if you go to their main page and click on this one right here that says sign up, you will be sent to a page where you can sign up for a completely free account. All you have to do now is supply your username, password, and email address, and then pick your preferred payment method. You can simply watch this video again if you didn't get it the first time. I actually like PayPal and I'll supply my PayPal email address right here. Then click on this one that says I am not a robot and then click on the sign up button right here. After you've signed up for a completely free account, you'll be able to check into your upload-forever.com account and see how much money you've earned so far. This is your very own dashboard, so feel free to browse it and then click here to see how much money you've earned so far. I'd want you to click on the upload files button right now, and then you'll be sent to a page where you can start uploading the music that you've obtained from the first website, and then you'll get paid for doing so. Here's another important aspect of the process. Make sure you don't upload any files that violate the terms of service. Here's a great tip. If you can seem to upload on this page, make sure your ad blocker is turned off. So if you want to earn money from this website, make sure you don't break any of the rules, since some individuals have failed to make money because of their faults, and I don't want you to be one of them. Moving on to the following phase, I'll show you how to post your downloaded music to this website and start earning money online by showing you how to do it step by step. Return to Mixkit.com and seek a nice song in the hip-hop music genre. You may browse through all of these collections, which you can download for free. You can listen to a preview of the song you're interested in downloading by clicking here. If you enjoy this music, simply click on the download button and you'll be able to download it on your computer, laptop, or even your mobile device. The greatest part is that you don't have to establish an account with this website to download it, which is very awesome, right? Okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it. Now let's go back to the video. After you've downloaded the song, go back to upload-forever.com and click this button right here in your dashboard that says Upload Files. You'll be taken to a page where you can upload the song you just downloaded. The next step is to choose the file you want to upload. In my case, I'll upload the song I just downloaded earlier. It is critical to make your file public so that others may download it and you can make money from it. For the description, be sure to copy the song's title and artist's name from the first website and paste them directly here instead of going back to the first website and copying them. Whenever you're ready to upload a file, simply click the Start Upload button here and wait for it to be uploaded. Once your file has been uploaded, simply go back to the website's homepage and click the one that says My Files to see all of the files you've uploaded so far. You can see the name of the file you've uploaded as well as its size on this page. You can also see the number of downloads your file has right now, which is still 0 since you just uploaded the song. You can also set the song's price on this page, which will vary depending on how much money you want to make. You can set the price for your song by clicking on this green icon right here and going to this page where you can type the price you want for your song. For me, I'll just type this price because I think it's enough for me. After that, scroll down below and click on the Submit button. That's all you need to do to make money from this website. Always make your file public so that other people may download it, and don't forget to set a price so that you can get paid for each download. You can simply repeat the procedure over and over again to make more money by repeating the process over and over again. Just like the first one, if you want to move on to the next genre, which is acoustic music, simply click on acoustic music and then choose the song that you want to download. You can listen to a preview of this song before clicking the download button, and if you're satisfied with it, just click the download button. After that, we'll return to the second website, click on Upload Files, choose the music you just downloaded, copy the song's title and artist, paste them into the description box, and hit Start Upload. Wait a few seconds for it to upload, and you're done. Simply repeat the entire procedure and go to My Files where you'll see the second song you've uploaded. Make sure you click the green pencil symbol once again, then set the price to whatever you want, and then click Submit. That is the full procedure, and you can locate a lot of songs for free right here on our website, and then we can upload them and sell them for whatever amount you want, and then you can get paid again and again. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.